Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning person, thank you for coming back. This is Anne's Aesthetics, where hopefully we can bring you fun painting tutorials that will bring a peace of mind and some positivity to your life today. Now let me tell you, this is the easiest, yes, the easiest painting to do. Anybody could do it, even a toddler, I'm for real. Step 1, paint the canvas black. Be sure to paint on the edges so that it gives it a nice unified look. Shazam! There is the finished little canvas. Now we're going to take some blanco, which if you don't know what blanco is, it means white. So we're going to take some white with a tiny little paintbrush, and we're going to start working on the face of the screen. Ghost face, whatever you want to call them. I was inspired by this pin I found on Pinterest. I'm not quite sure if this is the original artist or not, but I did post the person who uploaded the pin that I found, at least, so that you guys can find it. If you ever want to find that exact pin, you can go check out my Pinterest, which is in the description box below. If you go to that, then you will find under the board art and drawings the pin, specifically under the Halloween section. I got you. So I've done one cheek, I'm doing the other side of his face right now, and I have to leave a little bit of black room between to kind of give it that sideways look. I wanted to make it a little bit smaller, so I'm just kind of taking some extra paint to thin that out. Time for details. So we're going to start with that cheek, and we're going to draw the line to really carve that cheekbone. And then I wanted to work on his nose and getting those eyeballs done that he's got. You know the shape. I've done multiple tutorials on ghost face, so be sure to check them out because every single one is bright, bold, and definitely Anne's Aesthetics. Now, when I was painting, I kind of had an anxious moment, and I was really bothered by the head. As you can see, I wanted to add some black to it. I could have just left it, honestly. It didn't look that bad, but I decided to add more. So it's really up to you what you want the shape of your face to be. And then just finish off with some black for that mouth. Now, in the beginning, I recall I did mention that this is going to be super beginner friendly. And I really think truly anybody could do this. It's a really cute, simple painting that does not take very long to do at all. You could just leave it here, but I wanted to do like the photo and add some blood drips. But another thing that I really think would be cool for this painting, which is traditional for my other ghost face paintings, is adding little white dots and stars to the black parts of his face, so his eyes and his mouth. That would have really tied my signature look together. I should have done that now that I'm thinking of it, but missed opportunity, but a learning lesson for next time. However, on the side note, I did go crazy with the blood splatter. The original Pinterest photo did not have as much blood, but I am a murder... Oh, that sounds bad. I'm trying to say that I like to watch crime, like YouTube videos, like on YouTube. Oh my gosh. But my point is, I like crime shows, I like horror movies, and Ghostface has more blood than that on his face. If you've seen the movie, you know you know. I honestly thought red would just look so sexy on the canvas. I know a canvas can't really be sexy, but I just thought the signature would look so good. And it did. It really tied nice. I did get a new phone, not by choice, but I shattered my old one. So this photo was taken with my new phone. I really hope you enjoy the photo, the upgrade in quality, and I hope you have a blessed, happy rest of your day. Stay wonderful.